Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an auto reply for your Instagram stories. From your dashboard, go to auto replies and click on new auto reply. First, under reply scope, select story replies. If you have not published your story yet, enable the draft option. This allows you to create an automation in advance. The rule won't become active until it's attached to a story, which we will do after publishing one. Next, choose the match type. In this example, we will select any message. This means any reply a user sends to your story will trigger the auto reply in their Instagram DMs. Since we are using any message, there is no need to add any trigger keywords. You also have two optional settings you can enable. First, automatically like user messages to automatically like the user's story reply. So I'm gonna enable that option. And also we can require users to follow the page if you want users to follow your Instagram account before receiving the auto reply. So we can enable that option as well. And also you can put any message to request user to follow your page first and then receive the data. Now it's time to add your reply message. You can click on add new message to create a new one, or you can choose between the existing ones. So in this case, I'm going to click on add new message. I'm gonna put a title for my message, for example, our jacket detail. So I'm gonna use the text only as a message type, and I have a pre-written message in my clipboard, so I'm gonna paste that here and click on create and add. Once everything is ready, click create auto reply. At this point, the automation has been created, but since it's still in draft mode, it is not connected to any story yet. So to show you how the auto reply for a story works, I'm switching over to my Instagram test account to create a story and attach the reply we just created to it. So let's add a story. So I'm gonna choose this photo. I'm gonna publish it as my story and done. So if I go back to my dashboard, and then as you can see, the reply is in a draft mode, so I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna uncheck the draft, and as you can see, a preview of our stories will be appear here in this section. So I'm gonna select the story and then save changes. Now let's test it. So I will switch to another Instagram account that I have to send a reply to the account that has the story. So I'm gonna open the story. I'm gonna send the message, hi, how much is the price? Now I got a direct message. So it says please follow our page to receive the complete response. So I click on I followed you. Because I didn't follow their page, I will keep seeing this message. So first of all, I need to go to their page and click on the follow button. And when I go back to the messages, now if I click on I followed you, I should see the details of the product as they promised. That's it. Now you have learned how to set up your auto reply for your stories reply to engage with anyone who replies to your stories automatically. Thank you for watching this video.